In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic leaderboard in Google Sheets that updates on its own. We'll keep things easy to follow even if you're just getting started. First, let's open a blank Google Sheet and go to Sheeten and add your data. Put player names in column A and their scores in column B. The top row should have labels like player name and score, with the actual data starting from row 2. To fill things out, add 10 sample entries so you have enough to work with. Then, rename Sheetone to Score by clicking on the tab at the bottom and typing the new name. Next, click the plus sign at the bottom to create a new sheet. Double-click its tab and name it Leaderboard. Now, switch over to the Leaderboard sheet. In cell A2, type this formula equals sort open bracket, score exclamation, A2 column B, 15, 2, false, close bracket. This grabs the data from the score sheet and sorts it by the second column, the scores in descending order, so the highest score shows up first. A quick tip here, make sure the range in the formula covers more cells than your current data, so if you add more entries later, you won't need to adjust the formula. To add rankings, right-click column A and select Insert one left to add a new column. In cell A2, type equals row, open and close parenthesis, -1, which will number each row starting from 1. Drag this formula down to fill by holding a little plus sign with cell, bottom right left to the rest of the column so every player has a rank. And that's all there is to it. Now, whenever you update the scores in the score sheet, the leaderboard will automatically refresh to show the latest ranking. No manual sorting is required. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Comment liked so I can personally thank you.